Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Larry and happy new year. Wanted to hop on here and film my smoky eye blue sparkle look. Before we get into this smoky eye tutorial, please make sure you guys comment, like, subscribe, please. Please, thanks. Follow me on Twitter and Instagram at GlamLarry, where you see my outfits, see me cut up and stuff, see me have fun, see me zipping and doing it. Okay, zipping and doing it. So we're gonna go ahead and get started with this video. I already prepped my skin, I've already moisturized it, it's cleansed, it's good to go. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna start with our primer. I'm going to use the Sephora Beautify Amplifier primer. I'll put this all in between my T-zone, all the oily parts of my face. To add some luminosity, some glow, I'm going to take my MAC strobe cream in the color Radiant and put that all over the high points of my face. Ooh. Oh, rude. Oh my gosh. What? Oh my gosh, that was so disrespectful. Now I'm gonna go in for my brows. I'm going to take my NYX micro brow pencil right here. I'm gonna use this in the color ash brown. I'm gonna use that just to outline my brows. Ooh, our brows are looking like twins. Pop it, pop it, pop it. Okay, now that our brows are done, we're gonna start with our eyes. So what we're going to do is we're gonna use our blue smoky look. So I'm going to actually start with a NYX shadow base and put that all over my lid. Okay, now that our eyes are primed and they're set, I'm gonna go into my Jaclyn Hill palette right here. And I'm going to take this color right here and sweep that all over my brow bone. Next, I'm going to take my NYX Ultimate palette. I'm going to use these two colors right here. This is a lot more blue than it looks like on camera. I'm gonna mix these two colors and kind of transition them up into my brow bone and right into my crease area. And you wanna use a less precise brush than this. I kind of started and I don't really like what it's doing. So I'm gonna use the It's My Ray Ray number 5 brush. Oh yeah, baby. That is so much better. Next, I'm going to take my Patrick Star palette and Play With Me and use this color right here, right into my crease. What this blue will do is kind of give the black something to fade into. We don't want it to fade into a color that's a little too light. We want it to fade into something like pretty dark. So here is my blue. On camera it looks a little green. It's really blue, guys. I'm not lying to you, it's really blue. So next I'm going to take my NYX gel liner in the color black and I'm going to cut my eyelid. So that's why it's okay that my eyes look like a hot damn mess, because this gel is gonna help fix it. So I feel like the only time I get a good smoky eye and I get a good black effect is when I use a gel liner. Next, I'm gonna go back in with my Jaclyn Hill palette and I'm gonna go in with this color right here. This is the black. It ain't got no names, y'all, but it's the black color. And I'm gonna pat that all over my gel liner to help set it. And then we will go on to our next step. So I zoomed in a little bit more because if you guys see right here, there is a line of demarcation. So I'm gonna go back in with that black color from that Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm actually gonna use it to kind of diffuse out the line right here so these blend together. And I'm using just small circular motions. And so that's what this eye looks like, opposed to this eye that's very cut off. So I went back over my crease area with that blue color that was in the Patrick Star palette, just to give it a little more blue, so the blue is showing up a little bit more. So now we're going to go into my favorite part. We're gonna go with this glitter, baby. This glitter, baby. This is the NYX glitter. As you can see, I am so happy about her. So with the NYX glitter, you want to make sure you use the primer. I'm using the NYX glitter primer right here. You don't have to use this one, but you want to use something that's tacky, that's sticky, that it sticks to, because if you don't, you'll just have glitter falling all over the place, and that's gonna be embarrassing. So don't do that, sis, okay? Don't do that. So what I would recommend is dumping out the glitter into the little cap right here. It makes it so much easier and less mess, because when this glitter gets everywhere, it sucks. Oh, little baby, it sucks. This is really awkward, so keep your eyes shut because this base is really sticky. I'm gonna take the flat Morphe M224 brush. I was using this before to put the black eyeliner on. I'm gonna dip it in with my glitter and just pat it onto my eye. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, yeah. Ooh. Ooh, bruh. I did not think it was gonna look this good. Ooh, I'm deep. Maybe y'all can't see the vision. I can see the vision. And the future is bright. Okay, so now that your eyes are all fine and whatever, we're gonna go on to the face. So now that we've already prepped, which is fantastic, we are going to go in with our foundations. I am using the Nars Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation in the color Aruba. And then I'm going to also use Lancome Teint Doll right here. She is one of my goats. This is in the color 425 Bisque. Make sure these are shaken up. And we're gonna go ahead and put our foundation on. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna stop. I'm gonna put it on for real, for real. I don't know, sometimes I like putting my foundation on like this. It's really extra, but you know, kind of makes everything fun. I'm gonna use my Morphe brush. This is the M439 brush with a splash of Fix Plus. Oh my gosh. Oh, that went in my eye. Oh, that was disrespectful. I could have been blinded. And while we're sitting here putting on foundation, we might as well cover the wig. Cover the wig, sis. Might as well keep her protected too, because she is important. Whatever. Now I'm gonna go in with two foundations. I'm first gonna go in with the Too Faced Born This Way concealer. Mine is in the color Golden Beige. And then on top of that, I'm gonna go in with my Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer. And this one is in the color Tiramisu. And in between applications of concealer, I let it sit for a minute or so. For contour, I'm gonna go in with my Fenty Beauty stick, and this is in the color Truffle. Oh, y'all, you see I did my contour? Not my contour, I did my highlight cricket. Don't do that, we wanna snatch nose. Now I'm gonna take my e.l.f. sponge, the $5 Holla sponge, and I'm going to go over the light parts of my face and then the dark parts. Make sure it's damp. I just find it so satisfying how it just like blends together and melds. I just love contouring. It just adds so much dimension. So now that I'm all blended, I'm gonna go with my Laura Mercier translucent setting powder, and I'm gonna go over all of the high points of my face. So I have two lashes. I've got the Gilded Luxe lashes by Allure, and I've got the Ardell Studio Effects, the Wispies. This is what the Ardells look like, if you can see. And then this is what the Gilded Opulence looks like. Ooh, that was bad. They're super full, but I really want you to see my glitter. So we're gonna go with these. I got the lashes. I'm going to go in with a black eyeliner. You guys are probably wondering why I'm going with a black eyeliner. I don't know, just makes me feel better. I may not need it, but it makes me feel better about my life. It makes me feel better at peace and at home with myself and what I'm doing. The only thing that I hate about makeup, this is the only thing you're gonna hear me say that I hate. Actually, don't quote me, but I hate waiting for my lash glue to dry. I hate it. It just seems like, it's like it says 30 seconds on the bottle. I don't believe that. It's really a good 20-30 minutes. For real, it's probably a minute. It probably is 30 seconds, but I'm real impatient and I just can't. It's like, is you finished or is you done? Like, what's up? Like, you trying to square up or something? Like, what's up? You done drying or not? Oh my gosh, finally. Oh, finally. So next we're gonna go back in with the Jaclyn Hill palette. We're gonna go back into this black color right here. I'm gonna take my small fluffy blending brush and I'm actually going to sweep that around my waterline to bring out a smokier effect. And guys, I totally forgot a step. I forgot to use my eyeliner. I'm gonna use the NYX Mechanical Eyeliner in the color Jet Black. Next, I'm going to take my MAC Mineralize Skin Finish in the color Dark Golden. I'm gonna sweep that all over my face. Then I'm gonna go into my T-zone area where I highlighted and use the MAC Mineralize Skin Finish in the color Golden Medium. Next, I'm gonna go in and bronze, contour, bronze, whatever you wanna call it. I'm gonna use my Too Faced Dark Chocolate Soleil. It smells like chocolate. I love it. I love that stuff. How much chocolate here? This house is terrible. There's no chocolate here. Oh, I love bronzer. And I don't know about anybody else, but I feel like bronzer, if you get too light somewhere, bronzer just helps. Just helps. It's like coconut oil. It's like a band-aid. It's like water. It just helps. It just brings it all together. It's just the truth. It's just the truth. It's just the truth. Next, I'm gonna go in with blush. I'm using my Nars Luster Blush. It has this really pretty orange color, and I'm going to use my Morphe M527 blush brush for this. Now we're gonna go in for our highlight. I'm using the ColourPop Avalon. I use this as my base highlighter. I know I'm extra, but I love it though. Hold please. So we're gonna go with this Anastasia Beverly Hills highlighter, the Amrezy one. It is this. You're gonna be looking like a snack. Ooh, y'all, if you don't get a man or a woman, whatever you prefer, if you don't get one of them after this look, you're going to. So nothing else is gonna happen. You gonna get a man, woman, whatever you prefer after this look, honey. Okay. My Too Faced mascara, and I put that on my bottom lashes to help set the face and give us the opportunity to add more highlight, because that is important. I'm going to use MAC Prep and Prime Skin Plus. This is the regular kind, y'all. I ain't got nothing else in it because your girl got sensitive skin. Then I'm gonna go back in with my Amrezy highlighter right here. I'm gonna go back over those areas that I highlighted just a smidge. Now for our last step for the face, we're gonna go in with the Urban Decay De-Slick. This is the Oil Control Setting Spray. I love this. It really helps my makeup all night. I'm an oily girl, so I need this. And we're gonna like spray in a cross motion all over this face. Take my Fenty Beauty Galaxy palette. I'm going to go in with this color right here and go into my inner corner. Had to hop off camera and do my hair. Lips, I'm going to go in with the NYX Soft Matte Cream right here, and this is the color Abu Dhabi. For my liner, I'm going to use the color Ever in the NYX Lip Pencil. Okay guys, so that is the finished look. I think it looks super cute. Okay. Yeah. With me on Instagram, follow me at Glam Larry. I'm also on Twitter at Glam Larry. Please make sure you like, comment, please subscribe so you can keep up with my channel, see what other videos I have. I've got other videos, sis, so if you need some more makeup looks, you can hop on over there. Want to see this outfit? I am posting it on Instagram so you guys can see that and see the look I am serving. So hope you guys had a fantastic new year. Hope you guys have a great start to 2019, and I will see you guys later. Peace.